are going to make this U support pin, and you can see here this is U support pin in shock assembly. This is the shock assembly and this is U pin. So we are going to make this part first, half part actually. So we can use mirror option to mirror it, and after that we will use this pocket command to remove extra part of this material. Now let's start it. Select plane and then go on exit to workbench. After that use this line to make now use this constraint option to give dimensions to it. Dimension between these two is 30 as it given, and this to this is 30. After that distance between this line to this axis is given as 360 divided by 2, because we are just going to make half. So this is 360 divided by half, and distance between that line to this line is given as 380 plus 380 plus 140, and enter it. After that we have completed our sketch because it is in green color. Now select all the lines, and remaining lines must be selected by using control option. After that use this mirror command, select this axis, and just after that go on exit to workbench. Now use this pad command to extend it. First select this mirror extend, so we will get similar extension to both side of this center plane. The given length of this is how much it is? It is 140. 140 multiply by 2. So we are just going to use 140 because it will extend it in one side, and 140 again it will extend in this side. Make preview and then OK. After that now use this chamfer command. Where is this chamfer? This chamfer command, H fillet command, to give fillet here, this plane, this axis, similarly this axis and this axis. We have selected the 4 elements that are showing in this column, and the given radius is of first select this. Both radius are different, so select first outer elements, and radius of that is 50, and radius of this inner part is 20. So again selecting this fillet edge, first one, second one, and here is 20 radius. This is how we have completed our half part. Now we are going to make this circle. So select this plane, then go on exit to workbench, sketch option, then make one circle here. Now give constraints of radius diameter 75. After that go on exit to workbench. Now given length is use this pad command, and given length is 325, and enter it. Now we have to remove this extra material. You can see here, wait a second, you can see here we have extra material of this part, so we have to remove it. Let's remove it. Now first select this plane, then go on sketch option. After that select this circle command, you can select this 3 tangent circle. So first we have to use this projection command, so we can project 3 lines, first one, second one and third one. After that use this, select first line, select second line and then select third line. Circle is created automatically here. After that we have to make one more circle. You can see here is one more circle of radius of diameter 50. So again selecting circle of diameter 50, again constraint, then 50, and now first go on this eraser option like trim. Select this line and this and all. Just trim all lines and select this option and just make one entity, just make one close entity, so we can remove extra material. And now use again this trim option to trim this part, and after that go on exit to workbench, then use this pocket command and we want it till up to last, and then take one preview. You can see it's the part is removed, then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much friends.